Hi guys, and welcome to the channel. Ron's Keto Cafe, and I'm Ron. Well, today we're going to be making pork chops in the Instapot today, and we got a couple of pork chops. We're going to be drying them out, patting them down dry, seasoning them with salt and pepper, and we have a cooking bag from McCormick's, and I'll pop it into the Instapot for about 40 minutes to get them pork tender, and come back in the room and talk about it and what we're going to have for a side dish. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. This is another What Ron Eats Today series. We have our 3 pork chops that came in our meat order, patted dry. We're going to use this pork chop seasoned bag by McCormick, and those are the macros on the back. It's very clean. So what I'm going to do is put that into that bag that it came with it, and put a little salt and pepper in the bag, and then we'll coat the pork chops really well, just like shake and bake. I got the trivet in there. Just going to put that right on top of the trivet, the 3 pork chops. This is a real simple meal today. All you do is just put a little bit of water in, because you're going to have liquid in here. About a cup of regular tap water. Just like that. Turn it on, pressure on, and then we're going to set it for 45 minutes, because we want the pork tender. And then hit pressure, because we don't want it to warm. So now that's it. So what would typically will happen now is that'll just build up pressure, and once it locks in, then it'll count down to 45, and then we'll let it naturally release itself. And when we get ready to eat it, it'll go back in the room and talk about it. Okay? Well, welcome back. Well, in the back room over here, we're going to have what Ron eats today. Today we made 3 eggs over easy. I broke a couple of them, and what's on top of the eggs is 2 slices of white American cheese, and just one of them I just cut in half and used the other half of the other cheese. But I made these pork chops using the McCormick pork chop cooking bag mix. A little bit of seasoning, salt and pepper, everything all taste. Patted these down dry, popped them in the Instapot for about 40 minutes, and they just came out of the Instapot, and I'll show you how pork tender they are. Look at that. My question of the day to you guys is, who remembers that Brady Bunch episode where I think it was Bobby was eating pork chops and referencing pork chops in applesauce? And I don't know what that terminology was, but I don't even think I ever had that combination before, but that might be kind of interesting. I'd probably have to make a low-carb version of applesauce, because apple's got a lot of carbs in it. But most of you guys know now, I'm kind of like switching back and forth between low-carb and keto meals. But let me know what you guys think about this. Have you ever tried the McCormick cooking bag before for flavoring? Don't forget to give me a like, share, and subscribe. Love you guys. Stay safe.